like this one or do I like this one? Y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm America. In my channel I discuss self-care, skincare, and lifestyle topics, so if that interests you, hit the subscribe button. Now I'm going on day 3, day 4 hair, and so I'll start switching up my hairstyle a little bit. So I think I'm gonna share with you like 5 or 6 different hairstyles that I do, because I don't want to keep my hair like just like this, so sometimes it'll start looking crazy. So I'll show y'all just the different types of hairstyles that I do to my hair. Alright, so the first one, I'm going to just take some front hair, whatever curls that I kind of like. Do I like this one or do I like this one? We'll probably go with this one because it's closer. Alright, and then what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to take this girl because I kind of want to add like a nice little color, nice bit of color at the top. So I'm just going to drag this girl up. Just enough of it, nothing too crazy. Make sure it's going down. Okay. As high as I would like it. And then just take the scrunchie, pull all that hair, tighten that girl. Just like fluff it up, really. I like to show off the scrunchie at the top. But yeah, this is the first one. I probably do this one like a lot. Alright, next one. We're gonna take these same hairs that we put in the front. We're gonna leave these girls. And we're just going to take the extra hair and bring it more down. And bring these to the back. And normally I just take a clip. I want to get like really cute ones, like with like all the gems on them, but I just take it and that's kind of like the chill one, so I don't even have to worry about it like all in my face and all of that. Yeah, I want to like invest in like some really cute like different types of clips. I want to do that. Okay, so then that one we are going to leave these out again. We like these. We like the little hanging hairs. And then I'm just really going to split it. Not like too perfect, honestly, just split this girl on the sides. And I'm gonna take just 2 tear ties and I'm gonna put them on my wrist. Okay, I'm gonna take these 2 girls. This one, just going to twist it down and then wrap it. like so, and then I'll just take one of these and just tie it twice, and then I'll do the same thing with the other side. Just twist this girl. Take it. Wrap it up. And take this girl. Tie it twice. And there we go. Sometimes you kind of gotta go back and forth with it to make sure it's even out, but this looks pretty good on the first attempt. Ow. I kind of like it when it covers my ears, low-key. But yeah, it's another one that I do. Alright, so the next thing is I freaking love these things. I have a whole bunch, but I only brought these two for right now. But yeah, so you want to kind of just, you can buy these at your beauty supply store, and you want to just take the girls. They come like this. They come in a square, and then you just want to fold them in half to the other side, and then you have kind of like that bandana thing. Yep. Then you want to take it, and I keep my hair like this, chilling with the hair like this as well, and I will put it underneath, show my ear a little bit each side, and then just tie this girl off however tight you want it. And just fix up this a little bit, just make sure it's underneath, you know. Yeah, this is the next one. Do this like with different ones, you know, like I have this one, or you can take this one. I like this one too because of the flowers on it. And I always try to like find it with the flower actually showing. So then when I do it, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna have that nice flower showing. Yeah, I like that. And I like this one too. But I have like a whole bunch. I'm gonna end up doing like another hairstyle with this because I like to wrap my head. Okay. Alright, now the other one that I do, if I really am not liking my curls, you know what I'm saying, and I don't really want to show them, like I'll do the bun, and then I'll do the high bun as well. So I just grab everything. And then the curl on the bun. It's never what you like. Okay. Now I'll take one of these girls, and then I'll work from the back and bring it forward. And then I'll just tie her off. Tie it again, and then take these and I just tuck these girls in. And of course, like, gotta have the hoops with it, so like make sure you got some like really nice hoops, you know. But I'll do this like if I'm not, first of all, I'll do this if like I'm not feeling my curls at all. I'll just throw it up in a bun and then just do one of these girls, whichever one that I'm feeling, honestly. Put it up a little bit higher. put it higher and then take it underneath and just tighten this girl a little bit tighter. But yeah, those are kind of like my go-tos. I definitely say, like, if you just don't want to do anything crazy to your hair and it's like day 3, day 4 hair, invest in a visor, a hat, and some headscarves, honestly, because they be helping me out and still makes you look, you know what I'm saying, decent, and don't make you look crazy. Kind of makes it look like you did a little something. So if you like the hairstyles and you want to see me do some more hairstyles, I think I have a couple more that I haven't actually done on this video. But yeah, if you're interested, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next video.